Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing great. I'm your host Asan Khurram and I came back with another video in marketing analytics with Python. This is where we are going to assess location-based insights that help you identify which location might generate more revenue, more profit for a company. So let's move on and jump to the actual code. So why which matter, you might ask? Because location influences product demand, pricing, and channel efficiency. For example, one location might use a certain kind of product more often. If that's the case, you might want to run certain kind of ads for that particular location. Identify helps you identify high profit regions and help you allocate marketing budgets wisely. So here we have sort of important libraries being imported. We have pandas, we have Seaborn, and we have Matplotlib. Okay, so we already have a location column in our data frame. So we are going to apply group by function on this particular column location, and then we are going to aggregate the value of total profit. So here we are kind of grouping the values based on location, and then we are aggregating the value of total profit for that particular location. And finally, we are sorting the values from highest to lowest. And once we have this particular data frame being created and stored in this variable log underscore profit, we will like to graphically visualize it. So for that particular context, we are using the function bar plot of Seaborn library. We define the data frame, which is log underscore profit. Then we define the x-axis and y-axis, and then finally you can define the palette color as well. And here we have an additional input argument x when we pass rotation is equal to 45 as an input argument, which allow us to have this values at x-axis being tilted at 45 degree. And finally, we would like to render this plot by using this statement here. So this is how you will able to see like which, for example, Greystone generated the highest revenue for the company. So we might want to run more ads in that particular location. Some location constantly outperform other, which we can see that through the image. So we might want to focus marketing spend where the returns are strongest.